D-string march. All right, so we are practicing reading notes and placing our fingers on the D string. So we are going to start off as a scale and then jump our way down. So I want you to think of each one as a step. So we're stepping up. D, D, then take a step up the line. E, E, another step up. F, F, these are our F sharps. And another step up, our G, G. Then we're going to jump from G to E. So 3 to 1, F to D, 2 to open. So 3, 1, 2, D, G, E, F, D, G, E, F, E. So I'm tricking you right here. We have this pattern, and it's almost the same, but I want you to walk down to this D so we have that good final note. So let's try to read this together with just our mouths. 1, 2, ready, read. D, D, E, E, F, F, G, 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 E, F, D, G, E, F, E, D. Good. Let's try that. I have my shoulder, chest, chin, making sure that's doing all the work for me so that when I'm doing my fingers, they are free to do what they need. Let's pluck this first. 1, 2, ready, go. F, F, G, 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 E, F, D. All three. G, E, F, walk, E, D, 3, 4. Good. So we're going from open to all 3 fingers for that last part. And that's kind of tricky, but we can do that. I want you to jump back and forth. Open 1, open 1, open 1, open 2, open 2, open 2, then open 3, open 3, open 3. And that's going to help you build up that muscle memory that we're looking for. All right, let's do it with the bow. Shoulder, chest, chin. And I want you to pluck it many, many times before you incorporate the bow. So you can do either your fox face or you can do the more advanced version. Hands are hovering, wrists back. 1, 2, ready, go. Comfortable with this, you can do really long bows. We want to do long, but this is called D-string march. So we might want some staccato, some space in there. D, D, E, E, a little bit faster. And I want you to speed it up so that it is more of march. Bum, 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 and get it up to good marching speed. Bum, 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 bum. Try that out. So one more time with me. 1, 2, ready, go.